Lovely day for it. Hello, my name is Rob and welcome back to Rad Stuff Photo Video. So I recently started my own photo and video business and I realised something very quickly, that when you do that, you don't have a lot of free time. Which is best case scenario, I'm stoked on it. But like I say, that means that I don't have a whole lot of time, and it's been ages since I've just gone out and taken photos just for the sake of going out to take photos. So I'm in like my local town. There's a few spots that I wanted to hit for a while around here. So we're at the beach now, because as you can see, it's a lovely sunny day. So we're going to grab some photos of the waves because they're going wild behind me. So we're going to start off at the beach and then we're going to move to the next location and so on and so forth. So let's go. So I've retreated to the car to change lenses. If you're a photographer, you'll know what I mean when I say that I've got some alright photos, but I haven't got the photo, so I can't move on yet. So I've come to the car, I'm going to change my lenses, and then back out into the cold, and the rain, and the sea spray. Be a photographer, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Oh, and success! We have some photos that I'm happy with. I love how with photography you'll stand there for ages waiting for the shot, being like, oh, I don't know, it's not quite that, and then the universe will just throw you a bone. And here's what happened. I'm stood there banging off some photos. What happens? Two dogs turn up who are like, yo, we are getting in this water. These two dogs running in and out of the water, exactly what the photo needed. Love it. So I think we're done here for today, and it's on to the second spot. Let's go. Alright, so on to the second spot. So the second spot that I want to hit today is Prestatyn train station. So there's these bridges that go over Prestatyn train station. I noticed off the side of one of the bridges when I was out on a bike ride, there's this like cool hut at the side of the tracks. So I want to catch a train going past that hut there, because it's like all windy rails. Grab a photo of that, have a quick look on the National Rail website, see when there's a train coming through, and try and time it right. Alright, so we are at the train station in Prestatyn. So I've got about 25 minutes until the train arrives, so I'm going to have a quick look at how I'm going to set up my shot here, and I know which direction the train's coming from and stuff, so I can prepare for all of that. So I'm up on this bridge here, and we've got like this cool bit here. I'm going to use this to create some depth, and then the train is going to come from that direction there. So it's going to, no wait, the train's going to come from this direction here. So the train is going to go up along here and past the little hut thing there. Got these mountains in the background, so I'm going to try and catch it on its way through. And now we wait. At least the rain stopped. Alright, got it. So, got the photo, stoked on it. I was going to hit a third spot today, but time's getting on a bit and I need to meet Soph at the range because we are off to buy more Christmas decorations. And speaking of Christmas decorations, here is our Christmas tree this year. So as we just bought a house, this is our first Christmas tree that we ever bought together. And the reason this is super cool is that we split it 50-50 like we do everything, and my 50% cut of the tree and the ornaments and stuff was all paid for via creative means. So I went out, I shot work, clients paid me for said work, and I used that money to pay for my 50% cut of the Christmas tree, which makes me so happy. It wasn't expensive, but the fact that I paid for that via creativity makes me very happy. So if you're wondering what else I've spent money from work on, I've eaten a lot of it. Not the money physically, I've exchanged the money for food and then eaten the food, and I'm also investing in more gear and stuff. The next purchase is going to be a new microphone to use for the videos in the office, so that'll be dope. But yeah, I've had some pretty cool work on as well. I shot some music stuff, some product stuff, and I shot a wedding in a KFC, and you best believe I'm gonna make a YouTube video about that, and whoo, It is a banger, so keep an eye out for that one. But yeah, no, I really enjoyed this today. It's been a while since I've been able to just go out and take photos for no other reason than the joy of just taking a photo. So yeah, cheers for coming to hang out. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel and like this video, and I will catch you in the next one. See ya.